Stop fighting with your hair dryer every morning. Welcome back to channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine. Today we are counting down the best low maintenance short hairstyles for the woman on the go. If you are tired of high heat styling and endless products, this video is your new best friend. We are looking at smart cuts that do all the work for you, so you can wake up, shake your hair out, and walk out the door looking like $1,000,000. Let's get into these effortless looks. As we scroll through these first few slides, notice the tapered nap and undercut pixie. These are not just trendy, they are functional. By removing bulk from the back and sides, these cuts stay in shape for weeks without needing a trim. We also have the Pixie crop, and which relies on textured layers rather than heat. You will see how a simple bit of sea salt spray or a lightweight moss is all you need to define these layers. These styles are designed to look better as they get a little lived in making them perfect for busy moms, professionals, and travels alike. Next, let's talk about the air dry bob. In these slides, you will see blunt cuts and French bobs that embrace natural waves and curls. The secret here is internal thinning, a technique that allows your hair to lay flat and smooth without a flat iron. Whether you have straight hair is that needs a bit of swing or curls that need a wash and go shape. These mid-air to chin length styles are incredibly forgiving. They frame the jawline beautifully and require zero round brushing. It's all about working with your hair personality, not against it. A low maintenance haircut is the ultimate luxury because it gives you back your most valuable asset, your time. Which of these easy breezy style could you see yourself rocking? The edgy short crop or the soft air dry bob? Let me know in the comments. If you are ready for a stress-free hair journey, give this video like and subscribe for more real world beauty tips. Thanks for watching and stay effortlessly beautiful. See you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.